Welcome back to Mr. Wonder How. In today's Unity tutorial, we'll set up a simple enemy AI that chases the player. Let's dive right in. First, let's drag our enemy character into the scene. This will be the AI that chases the player. Now, let's add our player character. This will be the character we control. Make sure both characters are positioned correctly on the ground to avoid unwanted physics issues. Let's stay organized by creating a new folder in our content browser. Name it Scripts. This will hold all our AI and movement scripts. Now, let's create our first script. Go to the Scripts folder, right-click, select Create C# script, and name it EnemyMove. Attach it to the enemy character. Let's have some coding part. Declare variable to reference to target game object. Vector 3 variable for move direction. Float variable for speed. Right lat update function. Calculates direction by subtract target position to this position. Enemy have to look at player. Calculate velocity, and increases position, if the distance greater than 2. Let's hit play and see if the enemy moves toward the player. Perfect, the enemy moving smoothly toward the character. Now, let's give our player some movement controls. Create another script, name it CharacterController, and attach it to the player. This script allows the player to move forward with the up arrow or W key and rotate left right with the arrow keys or A and D. Now, let's test our setup. Run the game and see if the enemy chases the player while the player moves around. Perfect. The enemy chased the character, then when it reached the target, it stop. If the character keep moving, enemy will continue following. Now let's clone one more enemy, and set its speed different. And there you have it, a simple enemy AI that chases the player. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Mr. Wonder How Enemy AI that chases the player. See you in the next one. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Mr. Wonder How for more Unity tutorials. See you in the next one.